What does it take to turn a ferocious crocodile into a luxury delicacy? In the heart of Brazil's swamps, where danger lurks in every ripple, a thriving industry transforms wild instincts into sustainable agriculture. This farming documentary dives into the mesmerizing world of crocodile farming. Revealing a process that blends high-stakes adventure, cutting-edge technology, and environmental balance. The story begins in Brazil's murky swamps, where fearless workers brave crocodile-infested waters to collect eggs.
It's rolling down into the sand or on rocks or anything. Very nicely.
Okay, walk away. What's the temperature?
Each nest holds 15 to 20 eggs, but retrieving them is no small feat. Mother crocodiles can strike with a force of 3,700 pounds per square inch. In this farming documentary, we follow these workers as they navigate treacherous mangroves, their every step shadowed by the threat of an attack. The tension is palpable as one worker narrowly escapes a lunging crocodile, a moment that underscores the raw courage behind this industry. But why risk it all for these eggs? The answer lies in a processing factory where nature meets innovation. Once collected, the eggs are whisked to a state-of-the-art processing factory where controlled incubators mimic the swamp's warmth. Within weeks, tiny crocodiles emerge, adorable yet ferocious, snapping at anything that moves. This farming documentary captures the surprising contrast. These cute hatchlings are fed ground meals like ground beef, tailored to enhance the flavor of their meat. Over 80% of these babies will grow into market-ready crocodiles, but their journey is meticulously managed. How do farmers ensure each crocodile thrives in such a competitive environment? In sprawling man-made ponds, the processing factory sorts crocodiles by age and size, a process critical to their rapid growth. 3 years, these creatures devour enough food to sustain a family of 4 for weeks. This farming documentary reveals the science behind the operation. Workers use digital scales to monitor growth, ensuring each crocodile reaches its prime at 2 to 2.5 years. The scale of this operation is staggering. Some farms house over 10,000 crocodiles at once. Yet, the real marvel lies in the next stage. What happens when these hungry monsters become a luxury product? At the processing factory, the harvesting process unfolds with precision. Workers, resembling scientists in aprons, carefully skin the crocodiles and prepare their meat in a gleaming facility that rivals any high-end kitchen. This farming documentary showcases the technology at play. Vacuum-sealed packages, labeled with nutritional data, roll off the line, ready for global markets. Crocodile meat, boasting 20% more protein than chicken, fetches premium prices in U.S. restaurants. A single pound can cost $50, 0 cents, transforming these swamp dwellers into culinary gold. But does this industry come at a cost to nature? The answer is a surprising twist in this farming documentary. To maintain ecological balance, farms release a portion of their crocodiles back into the wild. Over 1,000 crocodiles are freed annually, their natural hunting instincts intact. Far from depleting wild populations, this practice reduces poaching pressure, with Brazil's crocodile numbers stabilizing over the past decade. This commitment to sustainability resonates deeply, showing how a processing factory can coexist with nature. But how does this exotic meat fit into the plates and culture of American diners? In the U.S., crocodile meat is redefining luxury dining. Chefs in cities like Miami and New York praise its lean texture and rich flavor, serving it in dishes that cost upwards of $100, 0 cents per plate. This farming documentary takes us inside a Michelin-starred kitchen, where a chef grills crocodile skewers, proclaiming it the future of fine dining. Beyond meat, crocodile leather graces high-fashion runways, from handbags to boots. The industry's global reach, exporting $200 million 0 cents in products annually, underscores its cultural impact. So what makes this story so captivating? This farming documentary isn't just about a processing factory. It's a tale of balance between danger and innovation, nature and commerce. From the heart-pounding egg hunts to the sustainable release of crocodiles, every step challenges our expectations. Want to know more about the wild world of exotic farming? Share your thoughts below and join us for the next chapter in sustainable agriculture.
Romulus Crocodile Farm is a large crocodile farm located in St. Augustine, Florida, USA, owning more than 50,000 crocodiles of many different species, including American alligators, Cuban crocodiles, and hybrid crocodiles. The farm has an area of more than 500 hectares, divided into many different lots, providing lots of living space for crocodiles. Larger sized American alligators often grow up to 14 feet long and weigh up to 1,000 pounds. The smaller size caiman has a maximum length of 10 feet and weighs up to 300 pounds. From August to November every year is the time when crocodiles are most active after the breeding season. This is the time for farms to prepare for egg incubation and choose the best breed. The crocodile's diet varies depending on age, size, habitat, and available food sources. Baby alligators are usually fed a percentage of their body weight. Baby crocodiles can be fed 3 to 5% of their body weight per day. Once mature, crocodiles can be fed specific amounts of food. Baby alligators are usually fed daily, while adult alligators can be fed every 2 to 3 days. Crocodiles are carnivores and have a diverse diet. Foods often provided to crocodiles such as chicken, frog meat, pork. Crocodile harvesting usually takes place in the dry season, when water is abundant and crocodiles are easy to catch. Crocodile harvesting needs to comply with certain standards to ensure product quality and protect farm resources. When raised for 4 to 6 years, reaching a standard length of 6 to 8 feet and weighing 100 to 200 pounds, alligators have now achieved a balanced lean-fat ratio, making it the right time to harvest meat and crocodile skin. Their health status will be monitored before harvest. Signs of good health in crocodiles include normal activity, good eating, shiny skin, bright eyes, and no signs of illness. Depending on the needs of shoppers, crocodiles will be selected to be harvested for different purposes. If harvesting crocodiles for skin, workers will choose crocodiles with shiny skin, few scars and no damage. If they harvest crocodiles for meat, they will choose fat, healthy crocodiles. Crocodiles will be processed manually to ensure that the entire intact skin can be obtained. The larger and more intact the crocodile skin, the higher its economic value. Therefore, chefs skillfully use knives to separate slices of meat from skin and bones. The tools will be carefully prepared so that the chef's operations can be carried out quickly and accurately. Have you ever wondered about the modern crocodile meat processing process? It is a process entirely run by talented professionals using advanced technology and machinery to ensure precise slicing and preservation of meat and food safety standards. Crocodile parts will be divided according to a certain weight and carefully packaged. Crocodile meat is vacuum sealed to ensure that it can still maintain its freshness when it reaches customers. The crocodile skin is carefully cut from the body, ensuring its shape and size are maintained. They are washed with water and detergent solution to remove dirt, blood, and other contaminants. Then soak in water for a few days to soften and remove remaining impurities. Next, the craftsman will treat the leather with lime water, tannin solution, and oil, and then dry it or use a dryer. The leather is treated with polishing, dyeing, embossing, and finishing as required. Then, the crocodile skin is treated with chemicals to transform the raw leather into tanned leather. The tanning process makes crocodile leather soft, durable, and water resistant. They are coated with a protective layer for increased durability and water resistance. The craftsman can emboss, print patterns, or process in other ways to create desired effects on the crocodile leather surface. Before leaving the factory, finished leather products are thoroughly inspected. Crocodile leather is considered one of the most premium and luxurious types of leather on the market: wallets, handbags, jackets, belts, etc. The fashion trend of using crocodile leather has been increasing in recent years. Therefore, the number of people buying crocodile leather products may also increase. Products made from bad leather require meticulousness and high skills. They have a unique and distinct beauty, affirming the user's position, and are favored by many consumers around the world. Therefore, the price of products made from crocodile skin is also quite high. According to estimates, the global crocodile leather consumption market is worth about $1 billion USD per year. Some market surveys show that about 1% of the population in developed countries owns at least one crocodile leather product. Have you ever tasted crocodile meat? They are low in calories, high in protein 21.5g/100g, low in fat 0.2g/100g. Crocodile meat is also rich in vitamins and minerals necessary for the body, such as vitamin B12, niacin, vitamin B6, iron, zinc, potassium, and phosphorus to help support physiological functions and enhance overall health. Rich in essential amino acids, packed with antioxidants, and rich in collagen. People have created many ways to prepare dishes from crocodile meat. From grilled dishes, braised dishes to hot pot dishes. Crocodile meat is a relatively popular dish among Americans. Please leave your answer below in the comments section, giving us your opinion on dishes made from crocodile meat. Thank you for taking the time to watch the video and subscribe to our channel. By subscribing, you will stay updated with all our latest video releases and enjoy a variety of content. And don't forget to share this video with your friends so they know more about how people raise and process crocodiles. Kentucky Reptile Farm, located in Brandenburg, Kentucky, Kentucky Reptile Farm boasts the world's largest collection of venomous snakes, with more than 15,000 individuals. The farm has a large barn system, divided into cells. Each snake is kept in a separate cage to protect the snake's living habits. The cage is securely protected with a metal mesh that prevents snakes from escaping and ensures enough air for the snakes to breathe. Snakes are suitable for temperatures ranging from 70 degrees to 90 degrees, so breeders need to ensure they provide enough heat lamps for the snake to grow best. Sometimes snakes will be kept in large tanks. Workers need to ensure the area is surrounded by walls to adequately preserve the snake population. Snakes are very poisonous and dangerous. However, its economic benefits are huge, being an attractive source of income for people. People will regularly clean the cages to provide a clean environment, avoiding bacterial growth that affects the growth rate of snakes. While in captivity, snakes shed their skin 2 to 4 times per year. The peeling process usually takes a few days to a week. The snake will shed its old skin from head to tail. The old leather will turn inside out to look like a sock. Snakes will eat their own old skin. After shedding its skin, the snake will have a new layer of shiny and smooth skin. After shedding its skin, the snake is at its weakest stage, so the worker needs to take more careful care. Like and share this video with your family to get to a good start. Snakes breed in spring or summer, when temperatures are warm and food sources are abundant. The mating process can last from a few minutes to several hours. The female will be pregnant for several months. The number of snake eggs laid per litter ranges from 2 to 100 eggs. At this time, the breeder will collect the eggs to incubate them, because the mother snakes often do not take care of the baby snakes, affecting the number of snakes breeding on the farm. The incubation period for snake eggs usually lasts from 4 to 8 weeks. The workers will help cut the eggshells to help the baby snakes easily escape. Baby snakes are small in size, have elongated bodies, smooth scales, and are more colorful than adult snakes. Baby snakes are carnivores and start feeding soon after birth. The worker will feed the snake prey that is about 1/3 to a half the width of their body at each feeding. Their food is meat, very diverse, such as mammals, reptiles, amphibians, frogs, eggs, insects. Baby snakes need to eat every day or every few days. Adult snakes can eat once a week or every few weeks. Snakes can be fed directly by hand or using tongs. Make sure the prey is dead before feeding the snake. Provide snakes with clean water to drink after eating. Monitor snakes after eating to make sure they have digested the food. Did you know that snakes can be pets, but not everyone is suitable for raising snakes? Raising snakes can bring many interesting experiences. However, it also requires a lot of responsibility and attentive care.
Gallon long enclosure or 20-gallon long tank, and you can keep a group together.
Farmers need to prepare suitable cages for snakes, including heating, lighting, humidity control, and hiding places. Some of the most popular snakes as pets: corn snakes, milk snakes, king snakes, ball snakes.
Garter snakes are around like $20.
You should also check local laws regarding keeping snakes.
And probably
Venom
most
has many
importantly, a
potential
number of these
values.
venoms are produced
Snake
for the
venom can be
antivenoms,
used
both
to
here in North
produce drugs
America
to
and
treat
around the
various
world.
diseases, such as high blood pressure, heart attacks, and strokes. They can be used to study biological processes and develop new treatments. They can also be used to produce vaccines against certain types of snake bites. Venom extraction is a traditional method in which the snake is tied tightly and the venom is squeezed out of its venom glands. This method can be stressful for the snake and is not safe for the person collecting the venom. However, you can rest assured that at the farm there will be experts fully equipped with knowledge, experience, and protective gear to be able to extract the venom in the most convenient way. Snake meat is considered a food with high nutritional value, providing a lot of protein, vitamins, and minerals. Snakes will be harvested when they are 2 to 4 years old, 2 to 6 feet long. When processing snakes, workers need to prepare tools such as sharp knife, boiling water, large bowl. The snake's head will be removed. Move the knife from the snake's skin at the neck and pull the skin down the length of the snake's body. Use a knife to cut a line along the snake's belly from head to tail. Use your hands to remove the snake's internal organs, including intestines, liver, heart, and lungs. Wash snake meat with water. Use a knife to cut snake meat into bite-sized pieces. Do you think handling snake meat is very simple? Snake meat can be processed into many delicious and nutritious dishes. Depending on the chef's creativity and combination of ingredients, snake dishes can be created such as stir-fried, steamed, fried, and braised. The worker will make a line along the snake's spine from head to tail, then peel the snake's skin off its body. Use a razor or sharp knife to remove excess fat from the inside of the snake's skin. Rinse the snake's skin under running water to remove dirt and blood. Soak the snake's skin in a diluted saltwater solution for about 24 hours to disinfect and soften the skin. Use a specialized tanning solution to tan snake skin. Dry the snake skin under the sun or a leather dryer until it is completely dry. Snake skin can be used to make wallets, handbags, belts, shoes, and jewelry. Let us know if you own any items made from snake skin by commenting below this video. Thank you for watching the video. Welcome back to Trending Farm channel. This video helps us learn about modern and automated cow farms. Before your eyes, this is a dairy farm with about 2,500 cows. This farm has an annual milk production of more than 2 million pounds. The owner said that here they applied dairy farming combining 2 barn systems, free barns and compartment barns. Ensure optimal farm area and create conditions to help cows grow naturally, giving optimal milk output. The dairy barn floor has 2 parts, a closed part and an open part. The enclosed section ensures a flat resting place for them. Meanwhile, the open floor makes it easy to clean and collect waste, improving ventilation and dryness for your pet's living environment. Farmers also use bedding such as straw and sawdust to help cows feel more comfortable. In the barn area, the farm owner designs feeding troughs and drinking troughs, making it convenient for farmers to provide food and water for animals. A fan system is equipped to run along the barn to regulate the temperature and cool the cows on hot days. The lighting system is installed along the ceiling, combined with no surrounding walls, providing natural light for cows to grow healthily. In addition, the investor has optimized the livestock farming process by investing in building a feed storage area, a cow milking area, and a waste treatment area. Can you estimate the initial cost for this farm? Leave a comment below this video to let us know your predictions. Modern technology applied by farm owners begins in the cattle feeding system. The food synthesized in the robot is called TMR. TMR is equipped with an additional mixing wagon. Ingredients are added using a feeder. All ingredients are added by weight. The scale indicates how much food to add. The first ingredient is alfalfa hay. Followed by a premix made up of the following: rice straw. Straw is a byproduct of cereals, cottonseed a byproduct of cotton, canola pellets a byproduct of cooking oil, dry distillers grains with solubles DDGGS is a byproduct of ethanol, and bread, which is a crushed old bread product. The third ingredient is corn gluten, which is a byproduct of corn syrup. The fourth ingredient is corn silage. This is the main ingredient in most dairy cow diets. The fifth ingredient is winter silage. The sixth ingredient is almond shells, which are a byproduct of almonds. Almond shells are a sustainable source of fiber. The seventh ingredient is rolled corn. This load receives 2040 lbs of whey. Whey is a byproduct of cheese. The final ingredient is water. All of them mixed well, and the meal was ready to be served. TMR loads dinner for about 375 cows within 24 hours. Workers will clean the feeding area before spreading new food to the cows. The mixer will continuously stir the food in the bin throughout the spreading process to avoid causing the food to become lumpy or uneven. In addition, dry straw is also fed directly to provide fiber and roughage for cows. The new farm owner invested in an automatic feeding system with a trough connecting the food processing area and inside the barn. Share the video if you find this system very interesting. In addition to eating well, cows also need to be raised in a clean environment. Most beef farms in the United States are promoting the equipping of automatic cleaning tools to assist workers in cleaning barns. Furthermore, the machinery that cleans the barn is very thorough and clean. We were surprised to see firsthand the process of cleaning cow barns at a large farm in the United States. First, workers use excavators to collect solid waste and bedding. The rake system uses mechanical or hydraulic rake arms to move manure and dirty waste out of the barn. These wastes are loaded onto trucks and returned to another area for recycling. Then, the floor cleaning robot will be controlled to clean the surface. During the moving process, the robot will both remove impurities and collect dirty water to a centralized area. The use of automatic machinery helps farms save costs, save water, and ensure the health of both workers and animals. We appreciate the improvements to this farm. How about you? After cleaning the barn, the farm proceeds to milking the cows. Cows will be milked 1 to 2 times a day, in the morning and evening. This is the time when cows have the most milk after a night of rest and eating. WE will proceed to learn the cow milking process. First, we wet the platform so that dirt does not stick and it is easy to clean after milking. Next, check and set up the milk receiving system so that the milk flows through the pipes and into the tanks, then is pumped into the tank. When everything is ready, we turn the machine onto milking mode. The vacuum-powered system creates suction pressure, and the milk tank temperature is maintained at 3.9 degrees Celsius to prevent bacteria growth. Cows will be brought into the milking area via a conveyor belt, and each cow will have about 6.5 seconds to install the milking cluster. The entire milking process takes about 6 to 7 minutes for each session. After milking, we clean the milking clusters and conveyor belts with water and specialized cleaning solution. Then drain any remaining milk in the pipes into the tank. Finally, check the entire system to make sure everything is clean and ready for the next milking. To maximize milk and meat yields, animal health must be prioritized. In the US, dairy cows undergo routine health checks at least annually. Farmers use moo monitor technology to monitor cows' health and fertility, tracking birth dates, breeding times, eating, rumination, and daily activities. On 1,000-acre farms, moo monitor sends alerts for cows in heat or sickness, accessible via a user-friendly mobile app. This system improves conception rates, currently at 30% to 40%, and helps detect and treat issues early, reducing the need for veterinarians. Investing in moo monitor enhances herd health and breeding. Health monitoring can also use ear tags, collars, or stomach tablets to track body temperature and rumination, alerting farmers to health problems. Every 6 months, cows have their hooves trimmed to ensure safety and hygiene. They are securely restrained and hooves are cleaned, trimmed, and disinfected by professionals to prevent injuries, allowing cows to move normally afterward. In the world, there are still many interesting things about modern technologies applied in livestock farming. you are interested, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss our next videos. Thank you for always accompanying Trending Farm. See you again.